But let's go ahead and we'll put the put our thing through there. So if we're going to wear it like a belt, you've got, you know, it works like this, right? So you can shorten it. I'm not that fat, so you know, I'm sure some construction guys are bigger than me. So I've got to figure out what size I'm going to need for it. You know, I'm a 32, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to push it through here like this, and then you got to push it through here. So I just got to get through it like that, right? And then I'm just going to pull it through just like that. All right, so now I can go ahead and I can put it on my waist. All right, so here we are, right? Let me just show you again. So look, check it out. So it's stuck through there, right? So I'm going to go around and I'm going to hook it in, pull her back, pull her over here, right? And I think I'm going to pull it like this. So I have this hook right here. And that fits pretty good on me, right? So now I've got this, right? And then if I take my chainsaw, I can put it right in there like this. And then I can bring this around to this side here. And if I'm climbing up a ladder or something, that'll keep it from falling out. And then when I'm ready to use it, yeah, I just pop it off. Apparently it doesn't want to come off. All right, let's try up here. We'll try this one. No, we got to do this one because this one's easier. So I just pop it off. Ugh. That's ridiculous. It's not a good system, but I mean, it'll work in a pinch, I guess. And bam, Bob's your uncle, man. You just pull your chainsaw out. This thing kind of got caught on there a little bit. So just make sure that's in. Now the other way you can do it is, you know, hook it around your shoulder, but I think this is the best way. All right, so I did the same thing. It's basically in the same spot, right? And all I did was I expanded the cord. And since I'm right-handed, I would wear it on my right side like that. You know what I mean? And then this, you could, you know, do the same thing. You could connect this in here like that, right? That way it doesn't fall out. But I gotta tell you, once you get up the ladder and you're trying to get this thing off of here, it's not easy, right? But anyway, there's your chainsaw. And it doesn't come out easy either because it catches on this little hole. This part here does. So when you stick it in, it's like this. And so you gotta kind of lean it to pull it. Otherwise, if you go like this, it hits. So just be aware of that thing there. But that's it right there. Boom, 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 ready to go. So now you can go ahead and do your thing. I think I kind of prefer to go, you know, to do this instead, to get it on my hip. And all I would have to do is just expand this out like this until it fits. Of course, it would be easier if I took the chainsaw out of here for right now. Set that over there. And I'm just gonna go just like that. Just get it so it's tight. You want it, you know, you want it tight on your hip. You don't want it loose because, you know, you want it to fit. I'm only like a 30, so yeah. So that's kind of it right there, you know what I mean? And then I can go ahead and shove my chainsaw in. And now I'm ready to rock. Woohoo! Let me just show you here. All right, so there I am, right? So when you take it out, you gotta lean it and then pop it. And then it's ready to go. Because it catches right here, you know what I mean? So lean it this way, then pull. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Bam, 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 bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.